Model, 2007 Citroen Dispatch 1.9 diesel disabled wheelchair access motorbike camper ramp. Body, blue, minibus. Mileage, 152,455. MOT, the 16th of April 2025. Engine, 1868 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. This starts and drives brilliantly and it's super clean. The first person to see this will definitely buy it. Grin. Condition summary, you can really tell this was a well looked after van. From the front bumper to the back there are virtually no marks on this vehicle. The interior has a disability access ramp for a wheelchair. All the seats are in great condition. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on